Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset Bluehost WordPress website. So let's get started. So this is our Bluehost website that we are going to reset, and we are going to reset it to default. So at first we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard. From the Bluehost we are going to click on My Sites, and here you will see all the websites available on your Bluehost hosting. Now to log into any WordPress website, just click on Manage Site, and then from the top just click on Login to WordPress. Now to reset our website, we are going to install a WordPress plugin. So from the plugins section, I am going to click on Add New, and then from here we are going to search for WordPress Reset, and we are going to install this second plugin WP Reset. So click on Install Now. Once the plugin is installed on your website, just click on Activate. So our plugin is now activated. So we will hover over Tools and then click on WP Reset. From here we are going to close it because we do not need the premium version. Now scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see Site Reset tab. Here it is, and here you need to type Reset and then click on Reset Site. Now again click on Reset, and as you can see that our website is successfully reset to default settings. Now if I visit my website, and here you will see the default version of your WordPress website. Now we will go back to our WordPress website and then click on Plugins and Installed Plugins. And as you can see that all the plugins are deactivated, and now we are going to delete them. So we will select all of them. Just unselect this one, WP Reset, and then from the top click on this drop down and then click on Delete and Apply. Click OK. And in this way all the plugins will be deleted. Now we will go to Appearance and then click on Themes. So we will also delete the extra themes. Just click on this one and then click on Delete. OK. And as you can see that our WordPress is completely reset to its default settings. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.